The cosine of acute angle between the curves y is equals to modulus of x squared minus 1 and y is equals to modulus of x squared minus 3. So, if you see here y is equals to this is y is equals to x squared minus 1 is an upward parabola whose vertex is at 0 comma minus 1. And this is also an upward parabola. If you take y is equals to x squared minus 3, this is an upward parabola whose vertex is at 0 comma minus 3. But when we have modulus signs, whenever modulus sign is there, first draw the graph of y is equals to x squared minus 1. So, the part we need to take the image of the part below x axis with respect to x axis. We need to imply same thing for both the curves. So, here we need to find acute angle between the curves. Mean that first you need to find point of intersections. Before that, let us see the nature of the curves. Let us see the graph of these two functions first. Y is equals to modulus of x squared minus 1 and y is equals to modulus of x squared minus 3. These are the graphs of the functions. So, actually this is the parabola, this parabola is having vertex at 0 comma minus 1. So, I need to take the image. So, this point will become 0 comma 1. Similarly, this will become 0 comma 3. Actually, I am taking the image. So, here if you observe the graph, we have 2 point of intersections. This is one point of intersection. The other point of intersection is here. So, these two are two symmetric curves. So, it is enough if you find angle between the curves at any one of these 2 points. Both the things will be same. Now, let us solve. So, here if you see this blue curve, this is original curve. So, we can take, because this point of intersection is obtained by taking original of y is equals to x squared minus 1 and image of this part is image of y is equals to x squared minus 3. So, we need to find point of intersection of y is equals to x squared minus 1 and y is equals to 3 minus x squared, because I am taking the image. So, by solving, x squared minus 1 is equals to 3 minus x squared. 2x squared is equals to 4, x squared is 2. X is equals to plus or minus root 2. Hence, this is right side of y axis, and this point, whenever x is root 2 or minus root 2, y will be equals to 1. Therefore, this point will become root 2 comma 1 and this point will be equals to minus root 2 comma 1. And we need to understand that the angle between the curves at A is same as angle between the curves at B. Therefore, angle between the curves is nothing but angle between the tangents at that particular point of intersection. So, I would like to differentiate y is equals to x squared minus 1. Y is equals to x squared minus 1. This point of intersection is obtained by solving y is equals to x squared minus 1 and y is equals to 3 minus x squared. So, dy by dx, let us take this curve is equals to equation number 1 and y is equals to 3 minus x squared. So, here y is equals to 3 minus x squared is taken as equation number 2. Differentiating 1, dy by dx is equals to 2x. Now, m1 is equals to dy by dx at a means at root 2 comma 1 will be equals to 2 root 2. In the likewise, here if you differentiate this, dy by dx is equals to minus 2x. Now, m2 is equals to dy by dx at a. So, at root 2 comma 1 will be equals to minus 2 root 2. Now, I need to calculate angle between the tangents. Formula, acute angle I need to calculate. Let us assume that theta is angle between the tangents. Therefore, tan theta is equals to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, it is nothing but 2 root 2 minus of minus 2 root 2 divided by 1 plus 2 root 2 into minus 2 root, because he asked about acute angle. So, we need to put modulus sign. So, this is 2 root 2 minus or minus 2 root 2 is 4 root 2. 1 plus 1, 2 root 2 into minus 2 root 2 will become minus 8. This will be equals to 4 root 2 by minus 7. because modulus sign is there, hence this will be equals to 4 root 2 by 7. Therefore, angle between the tangents theta is equals to tan inverse 4 root 2 by 7. This angle will be same even at B also. The same angle we can obtain even at B. This is the way to find angle between the curves whenever modulus sign is given. Thank you.